Morning and Jai Hind students. I am Kanchan and this time I have taken the chapter 8 from the book Moments, and the name of the chapter is A House is Not a Home by Jan Gorioso. So here the characters. So here one character is the teenager. The teenager is a high school student. He joins a new school and misses his old school. So teachers and friends he misses uh, all the friends also. The pet cat, he has also a pet cat in this story, and cat is very dear to the teenager. She is a red colored cat. So the stranger lives a mile away from the teenager house. She is very helpful as she takes care of his pet cat, finds out the details of owner of cat from phone number on his on cat's collar. So this story, The House is Not a Home, is about a teenager who joins a new school. He misses his old friends, teachers, and his old school. His house gets destroyed in a fire, and he loses all his belongings and his pet cat. His fellow students in the new school help him by gifting him study material and clothes. This act of kindness touches him and he makes friends with them. One day, while he was overlooking the construction of his new house, a lady comes and gives him his missing cat. He is overjoyed to get his pet cat again, and suddenly all his feelings of tragedy and insecurity um, go away. So here the teenager joins a new school, as here in this story it has been written. My first year of high school felt awkward. After leaving junior high school at the head of my class with all the seniority the upper grade levels could afford me, it felt strange starting over as a freshman. The school was twice as big as my old school. So when he went to new school, and then he found strange and awkward at his closer friends because everything was different. He misses his old friends, teachers, and he met with his old uh, but he went to meet his old teachers also. I missed my old teachers so much that I would go back, मतलब वो जाता था मिलता भी रहता था. One Sunday afternoon, not long after I had started high school, I was sitting at home at our dining room table doing homework. It was a cold and windy fall day, and we had a fire going in our fireplace. So as usual, my red tabby cat was lying top of all my papers, and then suddenly he he just felt a smell there, and her mother, she was never far from me. I had rescued her when she was a it is the description about his cat, and somehow she knew that I was the one responsible for giving her the good life. My mother kept stoking the fire to keep the house nice and warm. Suddenly he smelled strange, and then he noticed that smoke pouring it through the seams of the ceiling, and his house was in a fire. Then flames, and it was spreading quickly, and my mother then ran out of the house carrying a small metal box full of important documents because she was सेविंग. उसकी मदर एक बॉक्स था, मेटल बॉक्स, उसको बचाने के लिए वो उसको दौड़ कर गई. माई फादर हैड डाइड व्हेन आई वॉज यंग, एंड आई वॉज सर्टेन दैट शी वॉज नॉट गोइंग टू लेट हिज पिक्चर्स एंड लेटर्स गो अप इन फ्लेम. सो वो बचाना चाहती थी सारे डॉक्यूमेंट्स, and they were the only things that she had to remember him by. Still, I screamed at her, Mom, not, no. I was about to run after her when I felt a large hand hold me back, and it was a fireman. Then he held on to me while other firefighters, they were struggling to put out fire. It is all right. They will get her, he said. Then my mom in tow, he quickly took her over to the truck and put an oxygen mask on her. I ran over and hugged her. All those times I ever argued with her and hated her vanished at the thought of losing her. मतलब वो संभल नहीं पा रहा था कि मैं अपनी माँ को कैसे मतलब he couldn't bear that of losing of his mother. She is going to be okay. Then fireman ने कहा कि she is going to be okay. Then firehouse later the fire was finally out. उस आग को बुझा लिया गया. And then he was finding out his cat. Then the fireman would not let us go back in the house. He was thinking कि whether my cat would be in the house or not. अब वो अपनी कैट को ढूंढ रहा था लेकिन उन लोगों ने मना किया कि आपको अपने घर के अंदर नहीं जाना है. द नेक्स्ट डे मंडे आई वेंट टू स्कूल. वो अपने स्कूल गया. उसके पास ड्रेस यूनिफॉर्म भी नहीं थी, शूज़ भी नहीं थे. देन हिज फ्रेंड्स हेल्प्ड him and the clothes I was wearing totally looked weird, and I had no books, no homework, and my pack was gone. I had my life in the pack, and the more I tried to fit in worst, मतलब जितना कोशिश करता था अच्छा करने की इतना वो बुरा होता था. I didn't want to grow up, change our life. That's what I felt. And then I walked around school a zombie and like dull and in a unconscious way like, and felt surreal, and I was not sure what was going to happen. उसको नहीं पता था अब क्या होने वाला है. When I walked through what used to be my house after school that day, I was shocked to see how much damage there was. तो उसने देखा बहुत सारी चीज़ें जल चुकी थी. The only material जो बचे थे फोटो एल्बम, डॉक्यूमेंट्स, and his cat was also gone. There was no time to grieve. दुख मनाने का कोई समय ही नहीं था. Then we had to borrow money from my grandparents because there were no credit cards, cash कुछ भी नहीं था. Then that week the rubble that used to be our house was being cleared off the lot. Even though we had rented an apartment nearby, I would go over to watch them clear away Davis. सो डेब्रिस मतलब रिमेनिंग थिंग्स वो देख रहा था. उसमें अपनी कैट को भी ढूंढने की कोशिश कर रहा था. It always seems that bad news spreads quickly, and in my case it was no difference. Then everyone got to know what happened there. The next day at school, people were acting even more strange than usual. I was getting ready for gym class at my locker. People were milling around me and asking me to hurry up. I thought it is strange, but in the light of the past few weeks, nothing would surprise me. It almost seemed that they were trying to show me into the gym. Then I saw why there was a big table set up. Everything was there: jeans, tops, sweatsuits. It was like Christmas. I was overcome by emotion. Everyone was there to help him. Then it touched the author, and I finally breathed a sigh of relax. A month later, I was at my house watching them rebuild it, and this time it was different. I was not alone. I saw with two of my new friends. They were also with him when he was watching his old home that was rebuilding. And when we sat there on the curb means होता है to check the things there. Planning my new bedroom, I heard someone walk up to me behind and say, "Does this belong to you?" When he turned back, it was his cat. Then he became very happy. The lady was there with his cat, and then he was overjoyed with joy when he saw his cat. उसकी cat भी उसको मिल गई थी. My friends were hugging me, and they were also very happy. Apparently my cat had been so freaked, वो एक्चुअली इतना डर गई थी. She ran over a mile away when the house was in fire, and her collar had our phone number, but woman took her in. It was also disconnected. So the phone was destroyed and disconnected. The wonderful woman took her in and worked hard to find out whose cat it was. Somehow she knew this cat was loved and sorely missed. As I sat there with my friends and my cat curled up in my lap, all the overwhelming feelings of loss and tragedy seemed to diminish, means disappeared. I felt gratitude for my life, my new friends, and the kindness of a stranger, and the loud purr of my beloved cat. My cat was back, and so was I. It means कि then the cat was there with him, and he was very happy at that time. And then he came to know how much the friends and relatives, they are important in our life when we suffer something. So this is the end of the story, and this teaches me that we have to be self confident, we have to be having patience, and we have to be we have to be positive in our life. So thank you and Jai Hind.